fire, and I feel you burn. All I want is to hold you.
Hey guys, so welcome back, and I really am very excited to bring you guys this video because this is officially my first makeup video, and I think I have mentioned in my first video that I did want to bring to you guys makeup tutorials, and this is my first one. So thank you guys for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoy. So I normally start with my primer, and the primer that I use is the NYX HD Studio Primer Base, and I just used a little bit of this, just like a and I let it sit a little bit so it can dry in my face. And so the foundation that I always use is the Double Wear from Estee. I don't know the name. Estee Lauder. So it's the Double Wear makeup one, and the tone is Shell Beige 4N1 Shell Beige. And I also like, and I like to mix it a little bit because it is a little bit darker, and I don't know, I really like mixing with this one, and it's the Revlon Photo Ready Airbrush Effect. And then I just mix those two together with my fingers.
I know you know me now, and I've seen your face about. Why don't you show me, show me?
I sometimes use my blender, and I sometimes use my fingers, especially with like an everyday makeup day, you know, kind of look. I don't really have that much time, and I just want to, you know, get done with it real quick and be out the door as soon as I can. My setup's a little bit weird today because this is my first makeup video, so I'm trying to see where, you know, where I'm gonna be looking, because I don't really have a mirror in front of me like I normally do. So yeah, so that's what I do with that foundation, and that's about it for foundation. And I also use I'm almost out of this, but for concealer, I love to use the True Match Found Concealer, and it is in tone neutral. And same thing with my finger, because I'm just like trying to get out of the house. And I don't really use primer on my eyes, so that's why I kind of put concealer on my eyelid. But I always use this concealer under my eye. And I love this. I love using this because it actually gives my eyes like a little bit of a glow, and you know, makes my eyes pop. There we go. And then this I'll leave on for a little bit longer so that I can actually set it in. So while that's waiting to happen, I actually use this. I mean, it's kind of like all jacked up, like, but I love this. I've been using this to do my contouring for a long time. I actually got this. I can't even read the package anymore. I don't remember where it was from, but I love it. I wish I could remember where it was from so I can repurchase it again. So after this is done, I don't know what I'm gonna be using after that. So yeah, right here I just do a little bit of contouring real quick, just get in there. And I know I say this is like, I don't really use much makeup to like my everyday, but if I do use makeup like on a regular day, this is what I'd actually do. Use a little bit on my jawline. And then I just go ahead and I blend this in there. And with the same brush, well, I actually like to use this. I know this is more like a blush brush, but I like to use it. It ended up coming out like a little, kind of like a contour brush, and it's just much easier for those. And I'll just lightly contour my nose. I got a little bit more than I usually do. And I'll just blend it in there. So that's about it. And now I can go into, normally I'll go into my eyebrows and I'll brush them. And I use the Benefit, what is it? The Cat Brow Benefit, and it is in the color 5. Is that what it is? Yeah, I think number 5. And yeah, just like right there. This comes with a little bit. Like, I love that it comes with the little brush already. Just kind of pull it out and. Trying to grow my eyebrows for the longest time. I made the mistake that I think many girls do at a young age and over pluck them and ruin my eyebrows for the rest of, I don't know, my life maybe. I'm hoping that I can get them back. I really had nice thick eyebrows and, you know, I was blessed with them, but I just cursed myself by plucking them out. So after that, I'll go with the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, and it is black. The black is black. Alright, I'll give it let it sit for a little bit and let it dry for a sec while I go in and I go and do a little bit of an eyeshadow. I really like that smoky look all the time. That's mostly what I do for like an everyday kind of look. So I'll go in with the brush, like a thin brush, and I'll go with my, it depends. Most of the time I'll use my makeup palette. Like, it's so old. I got this palette. This was actually my first palette and I got it like probably 3 years ago. I don't know if that's how long. Yeah, I think it's been that long. It's been a long time. It's gone through a lot with me through my makeup learning, you know. So yeah, I'll go in with the thin brush.
Show me what you got. Give me all of your love. Give you all you need.
And again, I'm sorry if I keep putting this in the way. This is my first makeup video, so I'm kind of learning of where to put my mirror in and everything. So just kind of testing this out and seeing how it comes out. So I hope you guys enjoy. and if it bugs you, then I'm so sorry. It is not my intention. I'm new at this, so please bear with me. The last thing I do is my lip, and that's about it. So this lipstick is the City Color Collection, and I love it. These lipsticks, because I have a couple of them. It came with a little bundle of them, but I love them because they are cruelty free. Yeah, so this color, I don't even know if it says the color. I'll put a little description or a link if I do find the name and the color of this lipstick, okay? Okay, and there we go. I'm all done. I think I'm all done. Oh, one more. I go back with my mascara again. My eyes stand out. And yeah, I don't really do, for my everyday makeup, I don't really do a lot of eyeliner. And if you guys do want to see a makeup look with an eyeliner, I am more than welcome to do one. So comment down below if you want to watch one. But yeah, this is typically what my everyday makeup is, like really fast, and it's not too much, it's not, too simple. But yeah, I definitely love this look every time. And then sometimes I'll go in and highlight my areas that I do the contouring and the highlighting in. So this is a look. It's a very simple and very natural look that I love to do when I do my makeup really fast. And it's not too much time consuming, and it's really pretty. Okay guys, so this is the look. So let me know if you like it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. I thank you guys so much for watching this, and I really hope you guys like it. I really do, because I love this look, and it's very simple. It's not too crazy, and yeah, I really love it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah.